Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Tatmeen weekly workshop call. Today, I will be hosting this call. If any participant is having any questions, kindly raise your hands. I will allow you the mic, and from there, we will take up your questions, please. At this moment, I don't see any hands raised by the participants. So, I'm keeping this call open. If there are any questions, please raise your hands. Sajid, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Yeah, good morning.
Good
Actually,
morning.
we are facing, yesterday also I raised the mail from your side, okay? Um, we received some items, okay? Okay, after receiving, okay, need to check the SSC code and serial number details. Maybe we unpack these items, okay? After also we can check it, these details anywhere.
Sorry, can you ask your question again?
Yeah, this, see, one SSC code we already received, okay?
Okay.
And supplier
Mm,
level, everything is available, fine, okay?
mm,
Once we
mm.
received, we unpack these items.
Okay.
Okay, unpacked
Mm,
and we separated and completely is finished. Now
mm.
the supplier is asking, sorry, some customer is asking where you received these items. We need the main SSC code. We'll try, we cannot get it these details. Where we can get it this in Tatmeen level.
Where it is received means on which GLN it is received. That is what you are asking about.
This actually normally, if you receive, if you check it in your system, only I can see there is a supply, our reference number and GLN from and to and GLN. That's all.
No,
Okay, there
see,
is
say,
no SSC code, there is no other details. We cannot get it.
n-
Yeah,
no, Sadat,
yeah.
I didn't get your question properly. See, you're asking where it is received. So where it is received means you need the GLN or what information you are expecting. Where it is received means.
Okay, nothing. Okay, actually, this simple. Okay, one we have one. Uh, Tatmeen, one second.
Tatmeen. Please a meeting with Tatmeen.
Um, uh,
सर वो हाँ वो जो यहाँ फिर तदमीन का सपोर्टिंग फिर ले
uh,
सकते
sir, sorry. This issue we facing. Actually, we received one SSC code. Okay, in supplier
Mm,
level. Okay,
mm,
and the
mm.
complete process is done. Okay, we
Yeah.
okay before unpacking we can see there is a SSC code and a hierarchy, all things.
Yes, you can see
Okay,
it.
yes.
Yeah.
Once we unpacked,
Yeah.
okay, completely processed.
Mm.
Okay, then we cannot get it anywhere from the ORS. One is SSC code details.
See, that is what.
Yeah,
If it is unpacked,
yeah.
even you cannot see the hierarchy if you perform a product verification.
Mhm,
Okay,
mhm.
so that is the concept of unpacking. When you
Okay,
unpack it, the hierarchy
yeah.
is also got disturbed.
Okay, one thing is this okay, and second things, okay. If you check it in the reference number, the receiving message, your message log, if you check
Mm,
the particular day, what are the
mm,
item we received, okay, we
mm,
can click. But only our reference only we can see, supplier reference or whatever, the reference only we can see. We
mm.
cannot see any details.
See, message log, it will capture only the instance identifier
Okay.
and then the user ID details on which
Mm,
particular date it is
mm,
done and then the
mm.
status. Okay,
Okay.
it won't capture the details, the other details. Okay,
Okay. Okay, we okay. I think no, sorry. One more thing. We don't have
Hmm.
any receiving details, any separate file or something.
So that you can check in the incoming
We checked.
and
We checked
outgoing
only
reports, right?
open only we can see. Open
No,
only
that
we can download it. If we once we
See,
received, we cannot.
Sagat, you need to allow me to talk. You
Yeah,
need to
please.
check, you need to generate report, right? Incoming report or an outgoing report based on the
Okay.
GLN. So
Okay.
these reports will capture the information on the details who has done the shipment and from to where these shipments are being done.
No, we checked yesterday. I already mailed this SSC code and details is yesterday
Okay.
evening. Okay.
Mm,
This is same SSC code we checked in our system. Sorry, that
mm,
means system. We cannot see any
mm.
details.
So because that would have been unpacked. Okay.
Unpacked,
If it
okay.
is
After
being
but receiving level we cannot see after also after unpack also.
after unpack, you cannot see the hierarchy. Before unpacking, you can see the hierarchy. Okay.
No, we don't want a hierarchy. We can get the receiving detail at least.
No, what do you mean by receiving details? You need to elaborate
Receiving
more
detail
on
SSC,
this.
SSC. Okay, this mainly there's a issue happened here because of we are asking. Okay, this everyone is asking. We need the SSC code details. Where you receive these items. We completely we fed up here because of we are asking.
No, this is something seems to be some internal operational challenge belongs to you.
Yeah,
Okay. See,
yeah,
if any user receives the
yeah,
item, the message log is the clear indication it will capture the success or failure. You
yeah.
can
It's
show
okay.
it to them.
It's
Okay.
it's clearly showing no issues. We can see this.
Yes.
Only the
Yes.
reference number, but the SSC
Yeah.
code and details we cannot get it anywhere. This is the
You
issue.
cannot get
Yeah,
it. No,
yeah,
it cannot capture, right? So message log,
yeah.
it is only for, it will capture the instance identifier, the user who has performed the receiving operation, and then
Mhm.
on which particular date and time, that particular piece of information that will capture. It won't capture what is the SSCC that is received and then how many times it is received. No, it won't capture like that. Okay.
We tried, we completely fed up yesterday. This because of this
And that is
actually.
what,
Yeah.
this is something your internal operational challenge. That is what I feel. So this is not something about a Tatmeen issue. Tatmeen is somehow, this is how it is from the past 3 years. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then yesterday some issue from our login ID. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I think it's okay.
It's
Stable.
fine.
Before
Yeah.
yesterday, lot of time is timeouting, and after you try to
Yes.
log in, then again it's
E,
come the
e,
login issues. Now it's fixed,
e,
completely.
yeah, we are aware of this. So this
Yeah.
login issues or whatever issues are happening for very
Mm.
minimal time.
Okay.
So we are looking into it.
Mm.
I don't think this is happening on a regular basis.
Mm.
And yes, we are aware. So my suggestion for you is if you are experiencing any such,
Mm.
then write an email. We
Yeah,
will
we already
definitely
write
help
an
you out.
email and there is
Okay.
investigation going on there. We replied actually. First they told, no,
Yes.
no, this is our
Correct.
browser issue. Then I tried
Hmm.
the different area level. Then I
Got it.
screenshot again. I sent it. Then after you
Yeah.
realized and you sent the back
Yeah.
the details.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
Correct. We are aware of it. We are working towards the fixing towards the permanent solution on this. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Jasil, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
My name is Jasil from Gulf Drag.
Okay.
Okay, we are already using last 3 years Tatmeen bottle and everything, almost 3 year.
Yeah.
Okay. What is my concern? We are facing like the first person already told no. The portal have some glitches, some downtime
Yeah.
issues. That
Yeah.
we also facing this issue for last 1 month.
Hmm.
Starting time it was only affected after 4 p.m. or something, but
Hmm.
now on regular basis, different time period, this issue was happening. Portal is completely down.
Hmm.
If it is down, our complete preparation process will be stopped. We have very urgent deliveries for next day.
Yeah, Jasil, I understand your point. Even
Mm,
I heard from Nibal, like you had a call with him few minutes back before joining this
mm,
call.
mm.
So the point is, there is no, I mean, the issues are there yesterday and also day before yesterday, and it's not from the past 1 month. Okay, the past
Yeah,
1 month there
last
is no
was
issue.
1 month we have issues. We already raised the many complaints regarding this, but they are
Not
not
a
properly replying. They're only saying there is no issues, no
Now, see,
issues. Only that.
the issue which is happening for the past 2 days, that is only intermittent issue, and that is for minimal downtime, minimal for the minimal duration, maximum of 5 minutes to 7 minutes. That is happening, and why
But
this is happening, we are looking into it. Okay,
mm,
and once we are working towards the permanent solution, hopefully we will have something concluded very
mm.
quickly. Okay,
But
and these type of
what
issues
I
won't
okay,
happen for sure. Yeah.
what I'm talking now, last 1 month we are facing these issues.
I don't think so, Jasil. You have
I
some
already
other issues. I so think so. There
not
is no
some
issue for the past
issues.
1 month. If there is
I
an issue
already
for the
raised it to on onboarding. They already. send all the screenshots. We have record now.
Okay,
We have
then
record
share
for
the,
everything. What last
then
1 month.
okay, then forward those tickets to us. We will look into it. To my
Yeah, we
understanding,
also
there is
last 1 month I already forwarded. Every time they are telling like this, we don't have any issues. We don't have any issues. They are not talking properly.
just like you. I mean, I can understand your point. For the past 2 days, there is an issue. For the past 1 month, we do not have any
1 month
concrete
in different
evidence
time
or
period, like for after 4 p.m., like 1 hour, there must be a issue. Like 1 hour, last past 1 month. But now, last 2 days, morning itself, the problem is starting.
yeah. As I
That's
said earlier, these 2 days issues, we are aware of it. We are working towards implementing a permanent solution, and hopefully this will conclude quickly.
yeah, for us,
And we are aware.
for
Jasil,
last
you
two
need to
days.
allow. Jasil, you need to allow me to talk. So hopefully we will get some update from the technical teams on these past 2 days issues. Once we arrive at some conclusion, definitely someone from our team will be sharing these latest updates to you and then to the rest of the users. Okay.
Okay, okay. We can wait.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't see any participants raising their hands. If there are any questions, please raise your hands, please. Dar Al Fateh Pharmacy, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
How are you, sir? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we have a question. Our old pharmacist and she left, and but the email ID is related to her. Now, every time
Okay.
when we are trying to log in, they are asking for security password. Now, my question is
Oh,
that how can we change this email address?
okay, so the person who left is he or she is a Spock user or any other user?
She was the one who was working in the pharmacy, and she made that account on that time. Now she left.
Okay, so if you the use the person who left the organization, Spock user can deactivate that particular email ID. Okay, that is step number one. And if you
How,
want to create a new email, then the Spock user can create a new email ID by himself.
how,
Okay.
how can we
So
create new ID?
how to create a new one? You will have to go to Tatmeen.ae website. In that training manuals user management. So this is the document where the Spock user can refer and then create or invite the new user into Tatmeen system. Okay. If you want, I will tell you the page number as well. Tatmeen.ae website. I'm going. Give me 2 minutes.
Help me, please, because it's very confusing. So the same GLN number and everything can be picked with the another email address.
Yes.
First, we have to
So
deactivate account.
yeah, Spock user can deactivate the email ID of the person who has left the organization, and then the Spock user can create new email. The training manual
How
name
can
is
we deactivate now?
Training manual
Now,
for user.
sorry. You can speak.
Yeah, the documentation name is training manual for user management. So Spock user will have to refer this manual for creating or inviting the new user into the main. Okay.
Getting Okay,
You're
so
able to.
now I log in from my old account, this one
Mhm.
pharmacy account. This
Mm.
there is no any option here to change email address.
For changing the email ID, you need to reach GS1 team. Okay, if it is for the new email ID, Spock user can create a new email.
And how to deactivate this old one?
Okay, say there would be an lock button for the Spock user. If he can click on that lock button, that particular user account will be locked.
Who
Okay.
is the spot user?
So that is what, ma'am. You need to if you need all these responses, then drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ke along with the GLN details and then the email ID which needs to be removed. We will give you a detailed feedback. Okay.
Yes, can you email ID? This is better option.
Yeah, because without seeing the GLN, if you ask me who is the Spock and then what is the Spock, we may not be able to tell straight away in a phone call in 1 minute.
Email it that mean
Onboarding@tatmeen.ae.
1 minute. Onboarding at tatmeen.ae.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So please give us the entire details, and from there we will check into the system, and then we can share you the feedback.
Mm-hmm. And you know how to renew this Tatmeen license
Tatmeen license or the JLN number.
is GLN number, yes.
Okay, so for renewing the
Our
GLN
license
number,
is expired now.
sorry.
License is expired.
Okay, you need to. I don't know about the license. If it is for the GLN, then you need to reach the GS1 team. Please reach GS1 team. Their email ID is tatmeen@gs1ae.org. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, you are able to. Am I audible? You are able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
how to renew this license?
That is what I'm saying you. Please reach GS1 team, tatmeen@gs1ae.org. Please reach them. They will help you in renewing of the GLN or the license.
Can you repeat again this email address? Because sorry, maybe these questions are very odd for you, but we are very new in the
That's
system.
that's okay. The email ID is tatmeen@gs1
1 minute. Tatmeen at GS1
ae
mm-hmm.
dot
AE dot
org.
AE.
Yeah. No, no. Let me repeat. Tatmeen@gs1 ae.org.
U- UAE, huh? Dot org.
Not not
All
UAE. AE, A for Apple, A for English.
AE dot org. Oh,
Yes.
thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Jessil, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, I
Hello.
also have some other question.
Yeah, tell me.
When we market lost or block in Tatmeen portal some particular items, we
Mhm.
have any option to recall it?
Block means it is
Mm.
almost something like a decommissioning, right? So once the
Yes.
item is decommissioned, which means that that
Mm.
is out of the supply chain and then out of the Tatmeen scope, you may not be able to bring it back into Tatmeen.
Okay. Is there any
Okay.
plan to bring that option in our portal?
No, that is not possible, Jesse.
Mm.
So
Mm.
that is the reason why when someone is doing a decommissioning, they will have to choose the relevant option and then they will have to confirm the decommissioning.
Mm.
So we may not be able to bring it back.
Actually, last week we faced some issues. Instead
Hmm.
of packing, someone marked that as lost in Tatmeen
Yeah.
portal
Hmm.
by
Hmm.
mistakenly. So
Yeah.
that item we can't use as a Tatmeen stock now. That's why.
Correct. Correct. So that is the reason why you need to ask that particular team member or a user to refer the documentation which is available on Tatmeen.ae website. So that will help them in gaining the knowledge of Tatmeen and then
Yeah,
which
yeah,
which
yeah.
what to relevant status. Okay.
Yeah, we are using Honeywell devices. We have service provider, so
Hmm.
there is option. So
Hmm.
I just inform them to remove that options, lost,
Okay.
block that options. By
Hmm.
mistakenly, someone is by mistakenly sometimes
Got
happening.
it.
That's it.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
Or there is no planning to bring that option, right? Just for
No.
asking.
No.
Okay, okay,
No.
okay,
Okay. Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Rafiq, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, good morning, Mr. Bharadwaj. This is Rafiq with you
Good.
from City Pharmacy.
Good morning, Rafiq.
Yes. Just I have only one question actually for
Mm-hmm.
regarding the product which is
Mm-hmm.
already expired the registration
Mm-hmm.
and it is under registration process with Mohawk.
Mm-hmm.
These items can be reported that mean from
No,
directly from supplier.
you may not be able to report to Tatmeen until the registration is activated.
Oh, there is handshaking is there. Huh?
Yes, once the product, the expiry date of the registration, the registration is expired, you may not be able to report into Tatmin. So you will have to reach either Mohab or the GS1 for activating this registration. Once the registration is active, then you are all good to report into Tatmin. Until that time, you will have to wait.
So even maybe during the something shipment arrived in the UAE land and it's a
Hmm.
pending. So we want to take any exceptions are there for this or no?
So you're saying about the physical stock, right?
Yes.
So the question, whatever you asked from, what the feedback, what I'm saying is from the Tatmin system perspective.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye. I don't see hands raised by the participants anymore. So I will keep this call open for the next 5 minutes until 11:30. If there are any questions from the participants, please feel free to raise your hands. Okay, so since there are no hands raised by the other participants, so I will be concluding this call for this week. The meeting recording of this call we will be sharing in next 24 hours from now. So see you again next week, same time. Thank you.